Well, hey there. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, August the 13th. My name is Kat. I have your weekly astrological spiritual forecasting guidance for this week ahead, going from today, Sunday, August the 13th, through Saturday, August the 19th. We have one major energy shift this week, and that is the new moon in Leo on Wednesday. I'm calling this week Work Hard, Play Hard. You know how we've been working on something, not sure what it is. That something is it a plan to organize our children for school a little better this year? Are we thinking of redecorating our house? Are we thinking of rearranging or buying some furniture? Are we working on a project at work? Are we learning skills so that we can do something that we're really into? Are we considering a career change? Anything like that. We have been talking about this for weeks, and we've had to work on whatever it is, mostly by ourselves, because we were not getting any cooperation from the outer world. Well, guess what? This is our week. This is it, especially on Wednesday with the new moon in Leo. There's some other great aspects that day. It is a perfect day to start implementing whatever it is that we have been working on. Actually, we can be doing it all week. We have a little bit of a hiccup on Tuesday, but that shouldn't deter us. We always have to have cranky pants somewhere, right? But we'll start with today, Sunday. We have the sun in Leo conjunct Venus in Leo. So what a great start of the week. We're happy, we're carefree. We want to have fun, we want to hang out with our friends. We're feeling quite full of ourselves, and we're giving attaboys to each other for this or that. So it's a really fun, easygoing Sunday to start the week. So that's a good to start. And then on Monday on Monday, we have a really good day for productivity. On Monday, the productivity begins. We are feeling like we know what we're doing. We have our ducks in a row, so we're getting going. On Tuesday is our little hiccup. Now, the aspect for Tuesday is the sun in Leo square Uranus in Taurus. So what that may look like to us, that's going to be somebody of authority that we are trying to promote our agenda or promote our project or agenda with. Whoever that is, whatever that is, they're going to say, they're going to get kind of cranky about it a little bit. This is the cranky pants Tuesday. And they're like, well, it's Uranus and Taurus, so it's like everything is okay the way it is. Let's just keep the status quo. However, on Tuesday, we can, because we've got all our ducks in a row, right? We know what we're doing. We can explain ourselves and help that authority, whoever it is, understand why our idea is going to be so much better than where we currently are. And on Tuesday, if we don't get caught up in being offended or put off, we'll be able to work with that authority figure, whoever that is. It could be our spouse, whoever it is in the situation. We're going to be able to convince them because we're so confident and sure. Okay, so and then we come to Wednesday. We have that new moon in Leo, and then we have this great aspect, Mars in Virgo trine Uranus in Taurus. So now that Virgoan energy is so good because it's grounded, earth, detailed, organized. So you can see how we can start getting that going. Getting our project going. The energy is there. There's a nice trine, 120 degrees with Uranus and Taurus. So the outer world is going to be They're going to be listening, and it'll be conducive to start our new project, even though it might be a little different, a little bit out of the box. Everyone is going to be listening and paying attention and entertaining that. Yeah, we might have this great idea. So, so that's how Wednesday's going to go. And then it continues through, there's no other really big aspects for the week, but we do have the moon in Virgo on Thursday and Friday, continuing to give us that nice earth, grounded, organized, detailed, get it done, make sure that we've followed all the steps, and we're going to watch our work just come to fruition for us. It's going to be a really great week, as long as we don't allow others to sway us or to influence ourselves about our work and what we're doing. So we just have to stay confident and honor the other, and understand on Tuesday that, hey, somebody might get a little cranky, but that's not going to bother us, because we can work through it. And then with the new moon, that's usually the beginning of a cycle, so that either we'll have it implemented by Wednesday, or we're getting close to implementing it. And then we have Thursday and Friday with the moon in Virgo really helping us push through and finalize and get going. And thank God, finally, right? For some of us, we've been working at it for so long. Come on. On Saturday, the moon is in Libra. So Libra is the energy of balance, of relationships, and finding peace. So we'll want to do something, and it's more refined. Libra is more refined. We have the Taurus energy, who's all into good comfort food, for instance. But when we move to Libra, we're into fine dining. So it's a great day to do something a little more refined, to go to the art museum and appreciate the beauty of the art. Or, like I said, go to a nice restaurant, try something new and different. There may be a little glitch. Some of us may not want to try something new and different. So just keep that. Don't get insistent. Realize you just have to find a place where you can meet in the middle. But it should be a great week. This is a great week, and we're going to start this week, as we always do, by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves, by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this physical, etheric body. Second breath. On the second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's all flowing out of our bodies and flowing away to wherever it came from. And in its place, we're being filled. We see this beautiful white light filling our entire bodies, coming in from the top of our heads, and it's filling our entire body with light, love, and goodwill. Not only does this light fill our entire body, but it is protecting us, deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. Now, while we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we're going to say our Sun in Leo affirmation. I am the ruler of my world. I choose to rule with love, abundance, and gratitude. We'll say the affirmation, and we'll stay in the space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation together. I am the ruler of my world. I choose to rule with love, abundance, and gratitude. Good. And I always like to say, you want to keep that affirmation and that little deep breathing in your back pocket, because you never know when you can use it. And just saying it, doesn't it make you feel more balanced and more at peace? So by using it during the day, especially if you're in a sticky wicket of a situation, try to, if you have the time, or just take the 3 breaths and see if that helps bring more balance and objectivity and clarity. So, well, come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do my daily inspirational oracle messages that give you just an extra little idea to work with during the day, and I also do my my serious and not so serious memes, because I love to laugh, and in the spiritual life you have to laugh and be able to laugh at yourself mostly. If you like the message of the channel, please share it with your friends and family. We're trying to understand that we are responsible for our own reality, nobody else, and we have the tools to create our own reality consciously if we can use the energy and understand the energy. So good seeing you this week. Have a great week. I hope there's lots of success. We have a lot of Leo energy out there this week, so there's going to be some recognition and some acknowledgement. So it's going to be a great week ahead, and I will see you next week on August the 20th. Remember, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel is Life is Lived from the inside out. Have a great week ahead. Namaste.